Anyone can get the regular American Express Platinum card, but to get the Morgan Stanley version of the American Express Platinum card, that's supposed to be exclusive, reserved for millionaires, people with serious assets. I didn't have that, so I went into a Morgan Stanley branch to see if I could get in, and what happened next was uncomfortable. But before things went wrong, I was actually impressed. They basically owned the entire floor of that building. They had a section for very wealthy individuals, they had a locked out section, and then they had like this welcome section just for anyone to walk in. So I walked in, said hi to the secretary, and I was like, hey, I would like to open a CashPlus Platinum account. And she's like, yeah, sure. Let me type you in, see if we can get you someone booked. I thought I was gonna get a pretty quick appointment because no one else was in the lobby. It was just me, the secretary, we're just watching stock market news. It was a pretty small space, had free coffee, but I was sitting there and waiting for almost 30 minutes. Finally, someone came out and greeted me. Don't remember his name. One thing that I did remember is when I went to go shake his hand and went like, hey, how are you? His hands were super duper cold. Also, he had like a vest on, like a finance bro, so that was kind of funny. But overall, he seemed pretty cool until he didn't. Basically, he came out there and he's like, hey, so what are you trying to do? And I'm like, hey, I'm opening a CashPlus Platinum account. Is that something you can help me with? And he's like, well, we mostly deal with people who have assets of $500,000 or more. Do you have $500,000 or more in investing accounts? And then I'm like, not really. And then he was just finding out all these little different ways, whether or not I have like some investments. He's like, do you have an IRA? Do you have a 401k? And I'm like, yeah, I have those things, but not $500,000 worth of those things. And he's like, I don't really know why you're trying to open the CashPlus Platinum account if you don't have $25,000 average within that account and having $5,000 directly deposited into that account every single month. And I'm like, yeah, that's fine. That's, I'm not worried about that. I'll pay the $55 fee. He's like, whoa. So I'm assuming that you're trying to do this for the American Express Morgan Stanley Platinum card to get that engagement bonus. And I'm like, yup, exactly. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. Can you help me do that? And he was like, I don't know, man. Even if you're getting $695 in an engagement bonus, you're still going to be paying a lot of fees. If you don't have the money, I wouldn't recommend opening the CashPlus Platinum account. First of all, it's not $695 anymore, it's $895, almost $900, or the same price as similar price at least to the iPhone Air. And then we just had this back and forth where he was trying to discourage me from even opening the CashPlus Platinum account. Eventually he did back off and he sent someone that was actually in charge of the CashPlus Platinum account. He wasn't even in charge of the accounts. I don't even know why he was arguing with me in the first place. But then with the second Morgan Stanley associate, we meet our hero, Eli. Eli is great. He is the best. Basically, he came out to greet me, hey, how you doing and everything. And then he was like, actually, I was doing a little bit of research on my end before I came out to meet you. I don't even think you need a Morgan Stanley brokerage account or investment accounts to actually open the Morgan Stanley CashPlus Platinum account. And I'm like, that's an interesting thing you would say for being an expert in the space. Basically, he came out and gave me this handout. And it's all the information on the Morgan Stanley CashPlus account. There's still a lot of old information like the American Express Platinum only costing $695. But the interesting thing was that he gave me a post-it note. He's like, go to this website and try to apply for the Morgan Stanley CashPlus Platinum account. And if you have any issues, call me. And he gave me his business phone number and his business card. So I'm feeling fairly confident, having a little hop in my step, until when I went back home and typed in that website that he gave me on that post-it note. It just brought me back to the first step, where if you want to sign up for a CashPlus Platinum account, you need to sign up for an online account. And if you don't have an online account, you need a Morgan Stanley brokerage number. Now at this point, I would feel pretty defeated, but I remember one thing. I had Eli's business card and his direct contact number. So I decided to give him a call, try to put his claim to the test that he'll help me open this Morgan Stanley CashPlus Platinum account.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this phone number to call. It's Morgan Stanley's Virtual Advisor team. They should be able to open you just a blank, just individual account in your name.
Okay.
That way you have a account that you can enter in. And then once you do that, you should be able to then convert that account to a Cash Plus account on the website once you have sign-in access.
So you heard it from him. He gave me the number for the virtual advisors, which I'll link in the description down below. And he thinks that they'll be able to open a blank Morgan Stanley account for me. So I called the virtual advisors and this is what they had to say.
The suggestion was to open a blank account?
Yeah, that's what Eli was telling me.
Try to confirm that with the FA team here, and that's just not something we could process. Okay. It would just have to be a current relationship with eTrade or Morgan Stanley, and then we would be able to process the account opening.
Okay, just to double check, if I was to open an eTrade account, then I could open a CashPlus Platinum account?
Correct, yeah. You would just have to fund the eTrade account.
So yes, that call was still a little bit frustrating because we still don't have the CashPlus Platinum account open, but now we have a certainty, a possible way to still continue to move forward instead of being stuck at this step. And it's a fairly easy step too. All I had to do was open the free eTrade account, fund it, which I put in $100, and now I have a fully funded Morgan Stanley investment account, or at least an adjacent Morgan Stanley investment account. And while we had this eTrade account open, I kind of wanted to see if that would be enough since it technically is Morgan Stanley. So I went back to the Cash Plus website, tried to sign up using brokerage numbers from the eTrade account, and unfortunately it still seemed like it didn't work. So we had to go back with the original plan and call the virtual advisors again.
Okay, so you got the eTrade account open, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I don't have the ability to open accounts, but I'm going to put you on a brief hold and get one of my licensed financial advisors on the line.
All right, so now we're cooking. We're being transferred to an actual Cash Plus agent for us to open up a Cash Plus account. And it was kind of interesting because they did verify that I had this eTrade account, this relationship with Morgan Stanley, but because it wasn't an official Morgan Stanley account, they still had to make a blank account.
What I'm going to do is just create a prospect profile for you first, since you don't have any accounts with Morgan Stanley Virtual Advisor. Okay. And then once I get that opened and created, then we'll go through the full Platinum Cash Plus application together, okay?
All right, that sounds awesome. Thank you so much. Took a little bit extra minutes to open up this blank account, and then when we got on a call to open up the Cash Plus account, she was asking me a lot of personal questions, just the questions that you would normally see when you're opening up a brokerage/checking account.
Now, what would be your liquid net worth? What is the total value of equity investments that you hold? Right now, I do need to read a Patriot Act disclosure notice.
Just making sure you are who you say you are and you're not making money from illegal means or anything else. And finally, going through that whole process, the agent said my Cash Plus account should be open within 24 hours.
That'll likely be approved by tomorrow morning.
And she also says she'll send me a link to apply for the Morgan Stanley Platinum card in the morning, the next morning. But actually my Cash Plus Platinum account was approved only in a couple hours. So we should be eligible for that engagement bonus and be eligible to apply for that American Express Platinum Morgan Stanley version of the card. So since the account was open and everything was approved, I went ahead and applied for the American Express Platinum card, and I was put straight to pending. And when I called the American Express retention team, the reason was that they said they couldn't find that I had a relationship with Morgan Stanley, and when I was trying to find my account numbers, my checking account numbers, when I was looking, there wasn't anything listed there. It said something about that I had to wait 24 hours or wait for a certain amount of time for official approval. So I didn't know what that was, got off the phone and contacted my Cash Plus Platinum account representative. And she said the reason was I had still a couple more documents to send back through DocuSign. Well, I guess we'll just have to wait till tomorrow. Overall, those documents were fairly easy to sign, just who is allowed on this account and other, paperwork stuff. But it was finally open. I got my checking account numbers after 24 hours. So I gave the American Express representative my checking account number to verify my relationship with Morgan Stanley. I was hoping they would get it to me soon. That was not the case. It was basically a week and a half before I officially got approval. Actually, today on January 7th, I finally got approval for the American Express Platinum Morgan Stanley version of the card. And actually, even though I had the American Express Platinum in the past, I was still eligible for the 80,000 point offer with the American Express platinum card, so I still got a welcome bonus. So it goes to show that even though the internet and a lot of other people say that it's impossible to open up the CashPlus Platinum account without a real Morgan Stanley investment account that you have to sink thousands of dollars into, that may not be necessarily true. However, with that being said, I will say this method still isn't for everyone. That engagement bonus, the $895 engagement bonus that they give into that Morgan Stanley account, that's going to be taxed.
I'm crazy enough to take on Batman, but the IRS, no, thank you.
So depending on your tax bracket, it may actually eat into the chunk, but I still think it's going to be way cheaper than that $895 annual fee if you didn't do this method. So overall, this CashPlus Platinum account isn't necessarily exclusive. Sometimes you just have to force yourself through, and maybe you'll find out if it is actually impossible, or maybe it is possible. And that's basically what we do on this channel. I test things so that you're more prepared when you actually do it yourself if you so choose. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe, it helps immensely, and I'll see you later.